Yeah, I keep forgetting how beautiful this place is. So hi everyone. I thought I'd just make a vid. Let's do it that way actually. I may not go too far around this way because it gets a bit swampy. So this just be a very quick video, guys. Like I said, it gets very swampy. So last night, I think it was last night or the night before, or somewhen, I was watching someone go live, and this person's like me in the sense of a medium and card reader and all that stuff. And anyway, before I continue, so for the last week and a bit, well, since my holiday really, I've noticed a change in myself, energy wise. So anyway, I was watching this lady that is also a medium, and she said that there's like the planets are becoming aligned or something, and new moon, and that's probably why most of us, or some of us, are feeling a bit drained. So yeah. So yeah, for the past, I say, since my holiday, I felt, well, even before my holiday, I felt really drained and tired and fed up, and sorry about my finger, everyone. I keep forgetting the camera's on that end. So, sorry, I keep clearing my throat, it's a bit dry. So, yeah. So I'm still waiting for my internet, or I should say my faster internet, to be installed at home. I've still got basic internet. So at the moment it's 4 minutes. That'll take me about 3 days to upload with my internet that I've got. And I want to get a faster internet. So it'll only take 10 minutes to upload, not 3 days. So like I said, guys, I'm just going to be a very quick video because it's going to take me ages to upload. But I just want to show you around here, because I didn't realise how beautiful this place can be. It's where people take their dogs to do their business. And it can be quite gross here sometimes. And plus it's September. So when things start to change next month or end of this month, it will look completely different. So I'll try and keep this video within 10 minutes. So yeah, I just want to keep you guys updated with the whole internet situation. So I do have videos lined up, but like I said, it's going to take me days to upload these videos that I've got. So again, yeah, is there anything that you want me to, any videos you want me to make, any places you want me to go, any type of videos you want to see, just let me know in the comment below, and I'll see what I can do. So I'm trying to keep this camera, my phone as stable as I can, but it's hard to keep it stable and watch where I'm going. I don't think I want to walk along here. Don't look very stable. Sorry guys, I'm just watching where I'm going because this doesn't look very safe. No, I'm not going to walk along there guys because it doesn't feel safe at all. Like I said, sorry guys about my finger, I don't have my my phone holder. So I do apologise. So I'm going to leave you guys to it. Like I said, like, share, subscribe. Definitely leave a comment on what kind of videos you want me to make and that. The reason why I call it mysticody, because I want the channel to be mystical. I want to talk about all kind of stuff like ghosts, Bigfoot, UFOs, skinwalkers, shadow people, you name it. I'm more than willing to talk about it. Unfortunately, here in the UK, there is no skinwalkers and there is no Bigfoot that I'm aware of. So, like I said guys, yeah, anything else, leave a comment below and I'll make a video on it. So again guys, I'm going to probably do more videos like this while I'm waiting for my internet to be sorted out. So I'm gonna love you and leave you all. Hope you enjoy this laid back, unedited video, and I will see you all in the next one. Like I said guys, this is gonna be more of a regular thing, quick 10-minute videos here and there until I get my internet sorted out. So like I said, love you all. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video.